Marathon 2023-24. We are Team Cleverfoot. I am EKANSH B SANDESH.
I am TANISHQ
And I am NIHAL GANDHI from grade 8 of Excel Public School.
As sports fans, we recognize the importance of spatial thinking and foot-eye coordination in shaping well-rounded athletes.
In response, we have built a project to improve spatial thinking and foot-eye coordination among young children aged 6 to 12.
Our product, Solesight, may be used individually or as a group. It consists of a 4-sided die, 2 remote control carts with target hoop mounted on them, 1 stationary cart and a track.
The track will be laid in circle or square shape by using the rope provided. Inside the track will be different target hoops mounted on 2 moving robots which will be controlled by a remote, and 1 target which will be stationary in the center.
These moving carts will have paths laid out in the form of different colored ropes. A die needs to be rolled to determine which target the student needs to hit.
Individuals will play turn by turn and roll a dice where whichever color appears, they should dribble the ball to reach the corresponding colored section in the track and shoot the ball onto the cart with the same color hoop.
There can be as many shooting spots equivalent to the number of color blocks on the dribbling track.
Each cart is worth different points. The first stage with the cart on the outer track will have 1 point. The second stage will have 2 points, and the final stage with the stationary target hoop will have 3 points.
By kicking a ball onto a moving target, the child is able to improve both spatial reasoning skills and foot-eye coordination.
EKANSH helped us in the model making.
NIHAL did the documents and the primary research.
TANISHQ helped in research, coding as well as part of model making.
The different interactive components of Solesight will certainly contribute to improve spatial thinking, fostering a more profound understanding of spatial relationships and structure and foot-eye coordination.